Okay, once you've did all the steps, you've brushed the tracks, you've washed the window, scraped, you've done the white scrubbing pad if need be, you've got all the debris off, you've washed it, you've squeegeed it, you've detailed it, you've spot checked it. The last thing to do is to make sure your track is not wet, no water in there, because the last thing you're going to do is pop in your screen. You want to make sure that the tension clips go in first, so if it's going from the side, you're going to pop those in. This one goes to the top, you're going to pop those in first. You can pop it all in at once. I usually like to pop in one corner. Sometimes screens are tight, so it's best to get one corner in, then pop in the other. If you have any water down in this track, when you go to pop that in, that water is going to splash up against the glass. And at that point, you're going to have to get your paint key back out and either pry it out, or if you can push up on the screen and pull it out, but usually you're going to need your paint key, and then you pop that out and then refix that. So make sure you dry out that track good before you pop the screen back in. Don't be in too much of a hurry. Once the screen's in, you're ready to move on to the next window. Okay, so when you're cleaning a second story window and it has a screen, you want to make sure that you take your screen up with you. If you can, you want to take the screen up with you, because otherwise you're going to make a double trip, right? You're going to go up, clean the window, come back down, get the screen, go back up, and then come back down. That's a lot of extra time going up and down the ladder. It's a lot of extra energy. So if you can, you're going to take the screen up with you. If there's a place where you can put the screen, if you can tell from standing down here, hey, I think I can put this up on top of the roof, or I can put it where the balcony is. If there's some place where you can set that screen, always take the screen up with you. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you right now. You hold on with one hand and then kind of use your arm like that to kind of help pull you up the ladder, or hold on to the ladder. You take the screen and you're going to set it right up here. As long as the roof isn't too steep, it should be able to stay up there, and as long as it's not too windy, it shouldn't come flying off. Now I'm ready for my screen. Reach, grab it, there it is, ready to go. Pop it in. And that's it.